Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is TatiaunnaSamone. Today's video I am showing you how to do a super quick and easy slick braid ponytail from the comfort of your home. This is not the original way that I do it when I actually style my clients. This is just the way I like to do it on myself. I'm actually going to be using edge control around the perimeter as my main molder to help me get into a quick braid easily, and then I'm actually going to go in with some holding spray, and then we're going to go from there. So I hope you guys like it. If you do, definitely give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Please tell me what you thought of this video. Tell me what you want to see next. I am always reading the comments. Also, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified for all of my newest postings. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, you ladies, I hope you enjoy. Mwah. So being that I have short hair, I'm going to actually be using a smaller piece of braid hair to create an anchor braid. This is going to allow the braid to actually be secure and to hold just right, and to be easier to actually braid onto short hair. After that, I'm going to be using the actual amount of hair that I plan, and then I'm actually going to be feeding in hair like bit by bit. So I placed some extra hair around the braid, and then I did a twist to secure it, and then I twisted the rest of the hair around. This part is optional, but you're usually supposed to leave out a piece of hair before you braid, but I forgot, and I actually liked it doing it this way than the other way. So yeah, if you want to do it, you can do it like this.